The majority of men want to be lady killers. They want to be suave like James Bond and have the moves of Casanova. Yet, most of them end up looking like bumbling fools in front of a woman they fancy. Or if they do get to know her, they end up in the dreaded friend zone. Despite all their best efforts at pleasing the woman, she ends up choosing a guy who can't really seem bothered about her and barely makes any effort. Why is this so? Why is life so cruel? Joshua Pelissier blows the lid off on this mystery. It has everything to do with understanding a woman's psyche and using that knowledge to your benefit. Joshua created a program known as the Tao of Badass. This program will help even the most helpless of guys to develop confidence and skill in approaching and scoring with partners of the opposite sex. It will make you a master pickup artist and equip you with all the skills required to make a woman fall for you. You'll learn how to avoid the friend zone, pick up on a woman's sexual triggers, read her body language, and make her laugh, and much more. The Tao of Badass is an online bestseller that has helped thousands of men become appealing to the opposite sex. The official website is filled with testimonials from guys who went from being awkward to being too hard to resist. Let's look at why women melt when a guy uses the Tao of Badass on them. What you will love about this program. The product is extremely comprehensive and filled with useful tips, info, and strategies about picking up women. This is a complete program that tells you everything you need to know. Nothing is left to guesswork. What if it's a scam? Don't worry. This program comes with a money-back guarantee. No questions asked. You probably will have no time to get your money back because women will be taking up all your time. The Tao of Badass gives men confidence. This is crucial to succeeding with women. The guide was written in an extremely positive way. You will develop the belief that it is possible even for you to get the girls. Conquer the mental game, and the rest is easy. The program is very well planned. The explanations are step-by-step and systematic. You also get flowcharts so that you can see the process in its entirety. Joshua dissects the tactics and strategies and tells you why they work and how you should use them. What you need to know about this program. The fact that this program is so comprehensive comes with a downside. It can be overwhelming due to the ton of information inside. Beginners may feel like there is too much to learn, and the information overload may overwhelm them. The key point to note here, take your time. There is no rush. Once you understand the fundamentals, you can slowly apply the techniques and they'll work wonders. This is a digital download. You can only access it with a computer and an internet connection. You will need to take action. The only way to score with women will be to approach them. So, you must be confident and take the first step. The knowledge you've gained from the Tao of Badass will see you the rest of the way, but you must take the first step. Why you need to get this program. This program will help you get all the women you desire. That pretty much sums up how powerful it is. Should you get it? Of course you should. There are many similar products on the market, but none have matched the success that the Tao of Badass has. There is good reason for this. This program is life-changing. It makes boys into men, and not just any old man, but a badass that makes women weak in the knees. If you want to avoid being in the friend zone and instead be the guy that the girl goes home with, you absolutely need this program. Or sleep alone. The choice is yours.